Now that I've finished sending the email burst, now it's time for me to check how the email burst has performed. To check the analytics, I need to click on the email burst I want to look at and click Manage. This will open up a modal with all the analytics information. As you can see, it gives me both the overview as well as details on the engagement of each recipient. For example, you can see that Diego opened the email 7 times as well as replied to the email, while Minjun clicked on 2 links within the email, opened the email 6 times, and also replied to the email. If I navigate into the link clicks, it also tells me exactly which link within the email the recipient clicked on. If this email contained 2 different links, maybe the user clicked on the first link once and the second link once. Furthermore, note that if you enabled Salesforce email analytics when you're creating the email burst, these metrics will also be synced over to Salesforce under the email message object. This way, your reporting teams and analytics teams can leverage this data directly in Salesforce to make data-driven decisions for future engagements with your clients.